Okay, so I was too excited to wait until tonight to try this out for dinner. I want to try something just to see how it actually works with cooking. So I went to Combi Bake section and it says biscuits. So I've got some biscuits here. For the refrigerated biscuits, it says put a half a cup of water into the Combi pan, which is this part. Like a half cup is like nothing. It's like a little drizzle. With considering the depth of this pan, it doesn't even cover the whole bottom. I haven't followed instructions. That's all it's going to be for steaming, I guess. And then a bit of a germaphobe. So I'm going to. Oh, look at that! I didn't even need my spoon. That's a first. Alright, so I'm just using some canned biscuits here. These are some Pillsbury Grams. Butter tasting is the flavor. And it says you just put them in there. And then it says for 1 tube, 16.3 ounces of refrigerated biscuit dough, the half a cup of water. You're gonna put it on 350 on the bake setting for 7 minutes. So I'm gonna move these around a little bit. And you like this. All right, that's the end. So let's see how it did. I should probably get a trivet.
It did!
Yeah, it's done.
Did your video finish?
No. All right. Open it up. Pull them out. Okay. So they're a little overdone, but they look very moist. You want some?
Yes.
All right, let's try them.
What are they? So
Obviously, my children have joined me now. We're all excited.
Sandwich?
No, it's not a sandwich. It's biscuits, honey.
Oh,
You can make a sandwich out of it.
Yummy.
Okay. And then move this aside and show you the.
Yummy.
So this was the tray with the water. It is a little tough.
Yes,
See?
I do.
It's like
Yes, I do.
all the steam, of course, is out of it. It only called for half a cup of water, so that wasn't much. But we'll see how they come out. I think that they're definitely very moist. They feel like and look like they're really moist, although a little bit overdone on the top. Now, we'll say it took like 20 minutes to warm up to like get to the steam level before it even started the countdown. So from a time perspective, it's not a time saver. No, it's probably about the same amount of time that you would spend in a conventional oven. And that is because, you know, a conventional oven, you've got to wait for the warm up time for the oven to preheat. And then with this, you don't have to wait for preheat technically, but you got to wait for the for the steam, kind of like an Instant Pot. So that's 20 minutes. It's a long time. And then 7 minutes of cook time. So 27 minutes just to make some biscuits. That's a bit much. So from a time saving perspective, I think that's a fail. However, they do look very, very moist, and I didn't have to heat up my huge oven and spend a lot of electricity on that. So while you're making something small like this, then it's probably worth it if you're not in a big rush. But yeah, I'll let you know how they come out. But I just had to make something, and yeah, that is moist. Yeah, they're gonna be great. So, of note, it's very, very, very difficult to remove. they're like very, very much stuck. I will say that the pan cooled down very quickly. However, I don't know if they're stuck just because I did let them sit on the tray for like 5 minutes. But as you see, using one hand, it's not easy. And it's gonna leave lots behind. So I just wanted to let you know that. I did read a review that the cleanup was a challenge. So I can see why. But anyway, I'll see how easy it is to wash. I know that they're dishwasher safe, but I just wanted to include that info for you in case it helps you make a decision on if you're going to purchase. Bye.